Hello fashion lovers and welcome to the Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. If you find this channel informative, if you find this video interesting, so subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video and leave the comment in the comment box. In today's video, we'll be learning the types of pockets. So let's start. Types of pockets. This is the topic of basic design ideas, as we have started this series 15 days of basic design ideas. Today we are making the video for day 4. The first pocket that we would be discussing about is patch pocket. This pocket is very simple and very commonly used. In this type of pocket, it is attached to the garment just like a patch. Three side it is stitched, and at the top it would be open, and you can see it on shirts, t-shirts and other like garments. So patch pocket also can be used with a flap. It is patch pocket with flap. It is simply a patch pocket, but is at the top it is covered with a flap and maybe buttoned also, right? This is. Third is patch pocket with tab. It is a patch pocket which is secured the top with the tab like this is a patch stitched at three side, and at the top where it is opened it is secured with a button and tab. Fourth one is petal pocket. As name suggests, it is a patch pocket in two pieces, just like we have learnt in petal sleeve. It gives the impact of petal of flower, just like this. It is a decorative pocket which you can see in different garments. Next is denim top stitch pocket. You must have seen the pocket at the back of the jeans, denim pants and all. So this is a patch pocket, but it is decorated with the top stitch. Different designs may be there, but generally at all three sides it is stitched with the double top stitch. Next is welt pocket. Welt pocket is a pocket which only shows just like a slit, but the pocket or the pouch is inside the garment, just like you must have seen on the at back pocket of the trousers where people used to keep the wallet and all. Next is welt pocket with flap. Is it required to explain? This is slit, and the slit is secured with a flap, just we have done in the patch pocket. Now with tab, welt pocket with tab. This is very commonly used. Sometime it has been secured with loop or a tap. You must have seen generally in the trousers, and sometime in the shirts or t-shirts also. In 80s and in 90s it was very much in fashion with the at the shirts. Welt with zipper. This is also one of a very commonly used pocket in early 90s, where a welt was secured with a zip. And even nowadays on some decorative garments or in some t-shirts and shirts you can see this pocket. Next is kangaroo pocket. This is a utility pocket, you can say, which you can see generally on aprons or that kind of garments, or where means in cargos and that kind of things. So this, it has two parts and stitched in the center and has two inserts. Next is utility pocket. Utility pockets, very less it used to be in fashion, but generally you can see it in the bags or the folders, not on the garments. This is a pocket where you can keep the pens and these kind of things, right? Next is bucket. Bucket pocket is a bulky fabric which is attached to the garment, and it gives a look of 3D kind of, and generally on aprons and on the mechanical dresses these you can see. Now side slit pocket. Side slit pocket is a pocket which you can see generally on the trousers, front pocket of the trousers. It has an insert, a slit insert, and the entire pouch is inside the garment, and you can just see the slit at the side, right? Next is slant insert. This is again you can see in the trousers and lowers. In this pocket, the insert, uh, you can say, is generally is in a slant shape. Now curved insert. Curved insert generally you can see in the sportswear, in the denim front pocket. Its insert is curved like this. So this is curved insert. Next is ticket pocket. Ticket pocket, you must have seen in the denims. There is a small pocket with the curved insert, this, where you can keep the change or tickets and all. Next is cargo. Cargo pocket, you can see it in the cargo jeans. It is a 3D pocket. Generally, the difference between the curved insert and cargo is mainly the cargo pocket is extra patch that is attached to the garment, but the curved insert is a inside pouch pocket. Next is bellow. Bellow is again a 3D pocket which you can see at the in the shirts, and but generally in the cargo pants at the knee level or the thigh level you can see this. This is bellow pocket, is secured with a tab or with a flap, and it has a pouch like shape and attached to the garment extra. So this is all about the pockets, friends. So thanks for watching this video, and very soon we'll be meeting in the next video, either in sketching or in basic design ideas. Till then, bye bye and see you again.